As a Peruvian, registered dietitian, and a food lover, I am passionate about making recipes that are nutritious and taste great, while highlighting different flavors from around the world. One way that I keep things fun in my kitchen is by experimenting with different foods, from fresh, dry, and puree. The experimenting never stops. I have partnered with California Prunes to share with you how simple and delicious it is to add prunes to your recipes. Prunes add a depth of flavor and sweetness to savory dishes, especially stews, sauces, stir fries, and chili. So today I'm going to show you my take on a chicken and veggies stir fry, which includes a homemade prune ginger sauce. Talking about flavors around the world, this stir fry has Latino flavors inspired from Asian cuisine. I marry these two for a fusion. Latino flair because of cilantro, jalapenos, lots of veggies. So now, let's get cooking. We start by making the prune ginger sauce. Using a food processor or a blender, blend the prunes, vinegar, water, soy sauce, and ginger. So once it reaches the consistency of a puree, set aside. I love using California prunes because they're nutrient dense, packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium that help support general health and nutrition. Now let's make the stir fry. In a medium skillet, heat up the oil, then add the onions and garlic and saute for about 3 minutes. Add the chicken and the prune ginger sauce. I love this sauce because it has prunes, because they are great for gut health. Did you know that California prunes can also help support bone health? Recent research shows this benefit is especially helpful for women over 50. 5 to 6 prunes a day may help prevent bone loss in post-menopausal women. So now add the salt, the black pepper, the carrot, green beans, celery, jalapeno, green onions. Mix well and cook for about 8 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. So lastly, add the cilantro and mix well. A quick tip to enhance this stir fry even more. Serve it with your favorite carbohydrates like brown rice, red rice, or black rice. This will make this more satisfying with more protein, fiber, and quality carbohydrates. So now the best part, the taste. Wow, just wow. Full of so many good flavors. For more recipes using prunes and information, visit californiaprunes.org.